Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a very nice Bridgeport. This is actually one of the cleanest Bridgeports we've had in here in quite a long time. It's a CNC Bridgeport Easy Trak machine. What that means is it has a CNC servo here for the X and for the Y, as well as you can use this machine in manual mode. You're also going to notice here it has a Z readout. This is not actually a CNC part, it's just a readout to let you know exactly where you're at. You can see it giving a readout there for your depth. So this is a 2-axis CNC Bridgeport Series 1. You can see it's in excellent condition, has scraped ways and scraped table, chrome ways as well, make for very long lasting and as well as nice oil distribution. This particular machine is coming with a 6-inch Curt vise, very nice with the swivel table, as well as some miscellaneous tooling and a clamping kit. And we'll show you the machine in use here. First thing to notice that you can use it in manual mode. So if you did have to walk up to it and just start off as just a straight mill, it would be a standard Bridgeport mill, which is obviously the standard in the industry. If you do want to go over to a CNC mode, we just go ahead and put it into jog mode. And we'll show you it manually here. There's your X. And the Y. Notice here on the readout that your Y is in movement, and we'll switch over to X, and you'll notice right here X is going to move. And this is giving you the readout of where the CNC is. We have already calibrated this machine, so depending on your program, you can see here's the incremental, turning very slowly for the X, as well as the Y. We'll go ahead and start the spindle for you here. You can hear right now it's in the low gear. The head sounds really nice. It's about as quiet as it gets for a Bridgeport. If not, the bearings have been changed. This has very little use on this particular machine. Here in the high gear. Right now we're at about 2,800 RPM. I could easily talk over the motor. Machine's in very nice condition. Here you can see the feed is engaged. Move forward and reverse. This machine also does come with the joystick here. Depending when you get your program into the machine, you can hit the joystick for each next step. Make sure everything's working on the program before you put it into automatic mode. Now if you are interested in this machine or any other, we do carry many different types, new and used, vertical milling machines, horizontal milling machines, CNC and manual. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.